That bad boy up like a car. That shit sound like a Cutlass when it backed up. Shit sound like a Cutlass Supreme when it backed up. Shit, it got me feeling like I can drive it. Wow. I don't know about that boat. That boat kind of looked kind of antebellum-ish, kind of haunted-ish. Like, you know, I don't know if they have Carfax for boats, but I want to see the. I'm scared to look at the boat facts on it. Looks real, like, you know, down in the Mississippi, and is now serving as a tourist boat.